Sharpvue is a 10-year-old company with manufacturing facilities in South Carolina. Our solar-powered MAST mobile AI surveillance trailer is truly unlike anything else on the market today. A few key highlights I like pointing out here is 100% cloud-based video storage. All footage is securely stored in US-based data centers. Because our solution is fully cloud-based, multiple users can log in simultaneously to view both live and recorded video without performance bottlenecks. Our patent-pending supercharging platform is a proprietary technology which delivers up to 4 days of battery life with only 3 to 4 hours of sunlight, ensuring reliability even in challenging environments. And our enterprise-grade video management system is a downloadable VMS software and allows you to easily access live streams and recorded video from a PC, a laptop, iPad, or a smartphone. While packed with advanced capabilities, it remains extremely user-friendly, saving valuable time when searching or exporting footage. Each Sharpvue MAST comes equipped with a Hanwha camera system designed to provide maximum coverage and deterrence. Some of the standard features include 4 remotely positioned static cameras strategically configured to capture every angle of your site, a pan-tilt zoom camera with 40 times optical zoom, powerful enough to clearly read a license plate from over 400 feet away, high visibility deterrent lighting, blinking blue lights visible from well over 1,000 feet, signaling active monitoring, and a two-way audio system includes 10 pre-recorded warning messages plus a live talk-down feature for real-time intervention. Now let's take a look at Sharpvue's video management system. It's like taking the red pill. Once you have access to this world, you are not going to want to go back. If I pull in one of my trailers in Southern California onto my screen, all 5 cameras on that trailer pop up instantaneously. But if I have multiple trailers on a project or multiple trailers on multiple projects throughout the United States, I can drag every trailer I have into one screen and they all pop up instantaneously. This is a trailer in Texas. This is a trailer in Illinois, Southern California, South Carolina. If I change the time and I look at the evening, they all change at the exact same time. Now let's take a look at some of the bells and whistles you get with a standard MAST. If I drag this in and I want to see what this camera sees, I enable artificial intelligence and automatically I can now see what that camera sees. It's reading person, vehicle, license plate. Now if I want to search something that occurred in front of the camera, but I only have snippets of information, I know that it was a red vehicle. With just a couple clicks of the mouse, I'm already able to paint a picture. I can find exactly what I'm looking for with timestamps and a clip of that video that occurred. I can do the same with people. If I know that person was wearing orange in the last 7 days, there's my PPE gear. This is what I'm seeing right here. But I can get even more granular. I can say, I know something occurred in this area right here, but it was in the last few days. I can activate motion search. I can click a box right here, and you'll notice in my timeline, all the events that occurred in that box appear. But I don't have to watch hours and hours of footage. I just activate the first line that I'm looking for, and now it jumps to everything that moves in that box I've just created. This makes searching for occurrences in a situation on the screen so much easier. Now let's take a look at the PTZ camera. This powerful PTZ camera is a game changer. We all know that PTZ cameras have a joystick. I can move the joystick, but I might overshoot, I might undershoot. What we offer is click to center. So if I click somewhere on my screen, that becomes now my focal point. And I want to zoom in and see something a little more clear. So I notice there's a stop sign out here, and there's a sign above the stop sign. I want to read that sign. I tell my camera to zoom in, but it doesn't just stop there. I want to get in and read the numbers. That is how clear this PTZ can see at this distance. We offer Timelapse. So every camera that comes with a trailer, you can time-lapse video by taking the entire timeline. Let's assume this was a 30-day cloud storage timeline. I would highlight that, export, rapid review, taking 7 days and making that 5 seconds. Just like that, I can add image and put a logo. This is great for marketing purposes. Very simple, very easy, few clicks of the mouse. I can also search things with my timeline. So go back to live, and here's a calendar. I know something happened on the 25th around 6 a.m. I enable search. There it is. This saves hours of your day by just clicking where and when you need to be to see something occurring. That's the large mast, and in my next video I'd like to show you a little bit about the small mast that we have. If I could just give you a snippet. This here is our Mini, and I will talk about that in my next presentation. Thank you for your time.